now, we're going across the Mississippi River, and in just a second, yep, we're going to see a sign. And what's the sign going to say? It's going to say, let's see here, it says, welcome to Arkansas. So we're now in Arkansas. We're halfway across the river. We're coming across the big steel bridge here, and you can kind of see there's the Mississippi River right over down in there where you can see it. And you see another bridge right across there, and that's the city of Memphis. You can't really see it too good. Here we go back across this bridge. We're on this side. So now, now TJ, this is your first trip into Arkansas, you know it? And it's kind of a nice sunny day today.